Hello my alien students, welcome back. So actually today is a small doubt clarification class. One of my students asked me, John, we are in this polygon drawing, my favorite symbol, one of the most common symbols, isn't it? The polygon symbol, isn't it? John, they asked me, John, I want you to help me draw this diagram. Okay, so this is a doubt clarification class. One of my students asked me, so I thought let me just show you how to do it. Okay, so first thing, we need to see at this drawing, isn't it? This is a what? This is a polygon. Okay, this is clear. First point, it is a polygon. How many sides are there in this polygon? I believe there are how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sides. So number of sides is what? Number of sides is 8. Beautiful, isn't it? Okay. And you know the method. The procedure is what? Always I say follow the procedure, isn't it? So procedure, step number 1 is how to know. First you need to know the number of sides. Number of sides is 8. This is clear, isn't it? And now you know the another rule which I told you, whenever dimensions are from point to point, isn't it? You know which method to use. It is an inscribe, isn't it? Use an inscribe method. Okay. Okay, this is clear. Okay. So can we start now? Okay. So first thing is what? AutoCAD does not know what you want to draw, isn't it? So there are two methods to do it. One, either type it in the command line or go on top, click polygon. Okay, now AutoCAD, what he tells you? John, enter the number of sides. I said what? This is an 8 side, right? Enter 8. Any comments? Click enter. Okay, specify the center point. Click anywhere, okay? And this is an inscribed circle, isn't it? Why it's an inscribed? You know, there's a condition that I've taught you in the class, isn't it? Refer your notes. Okay, inscribed. Okay, what is the radius of this circle? The dimension is given here is how much? 15. So enter 15. Any comments? Enter. This is over. Okay, this dimension is over. Let's say the outside circle, outside polygon is over. Now your next question is, John, how do we draw the inside of the circle? Isn't it? There are two methods to do it. Okay, one method would be like, isn't it, find the center of the circle, isn't it? Find the center of this circle, this polygon. Okay, center of this geometry, let me tell you. Okay, there are two methods to do this. One would be find the center point. One would be something like this. Okay, find the center point. This would be the geometrical center. Okay, there is another alien method. I'll teach you that in the class. Okay, another alien method. How to? I've just drawn lines between the corner. This is the center point of that, isn't it? Type. Now what I will do? I want to draw another polygon. And now what he has told, John, radius is -1. -1 means what? 14, isn't it? 15 minus 1. I hope this is clear. From this center to this one is how much? This is 15. I said okay, fine. 15 units. You have to remove 1 unit from the corner. This is what he mentioned here. Isn't that means 15 minus 1 is how much? 14. That is the radius, isn't it? So we need to draw another circle, another polygon with radius 14, isn't it? Click polygon as usual. Enter number of sides. Sure, the same thing. 8. Enter. Okay. Center of this is this point. Okay. Or you can do intersection, isn't it? Click here, intersection. Okay, and let me off the other. This is not an alien method, but I'll teach you how to do it. Okay, in the class I'll teach you. Just remind me. Okay, how to do the alien method. Okay, come and see intersection. Very good. Click that point. That is left click. Okay, then what you do? Click inscribe, isn't it? Why? Dimensions are. You know what's there's a what's that formula for that? There's a point which I've taught in the class. Okay, click inscribed. Click enter. Okay, what is the radius? 14, isn't it? Click enter. Is this clear? And then what you do? Rub these alien lines, isn't it? I hope this is clear. Similarly, you need to draw this small polygon, isn't it? How would you draw it? Enter polygon command. Okay, I am just doing this class a bit fast because I am running out of time. I have a class coming up in a couple of minutes now. Anyway, no, doesn't matter. Okay. Okay, another story here. They have told you need to draw a line. The dimension of this polygon has to be 3 units. Actually, there is another alien method. I'll teach you in the class, next class or something. The alien John method. Okay. So for now, as of now, I think it's better if you just draw a line. what's the dimension of that line? It is 3 units. From here to here is 3 units. Sorry, from here, from the one corner to the center, he's mentioned it 3 units. If it is not clear, just zoom, just rub everything. See here, from which point, this point to the center is 3 units. Why I am looking for center? Because when I draw polygon, he asked me, John, specify the center of the polygon, isn't it? Right. Okay, just come here and see the dimension is 1 unit diameter, isn't it? Look at this. If this is getting confused, just rub this. See, isn't it? I hope it is clear now. Okay, now what I do, I come here. There is an alien trick here. So I need to draw first one line which is 3 units coming down, isn't it? Draw a line. Okay, make sure ortho is on, F8. Okay, ortho is on, and I need to go down how many units? 3 units. Put 3, enter. Okay, so better I rub this big line, isn't it? This is clear. Is this clear? Isn't it? Okay, now what I need to do, I need to draw a polygon. Click polygon. Polygon. How many sides are these? I think this looks like 6. So enter number of sides, 6. Specify the center of this polygon, somewhere here, isn't it? Now this is the end point. Go to your object snap, click end point. Okay, and come here. Okay, enter. It's inscribed. It is inscribed, isn't it? Okay, enter the radius. How much is it? 0.5, because it was 1 there. 1 is written here, isn't it? 1 is written here, so I need to enter 0.5. Just enter 0.5. Okay, I hope this is clear. The same thing you can do it in the bottom, isn't it? See, is this clear now? Okay, so this is part 1 of your question, doubt. Okay, the second part of your doubt was, John, how do I draw this diagram? Okay, and you told I had some problem with the closing command, isn't it? Okay, anywhere we can start. If you want, what I will do is, I think let's keep it like this. Okay, let's start our new drawing. Click the start button. Okay, what's the first thing when you do open any drawing? First thing, what's the first procedure? What? Correct. Okay, enter units. Check the units first. Okay, look at the drawing. This drawing is what? All in decimal, isn't it? So 100% should be, maybe this is 6 meter, 6.6 meter, but not, it is sure decimal, but not clear is it inch or no. Isn't 100% going to be either millimeter, meter, whatever, isn't it? It's not going to be imperial, it's a metric unit diagram, isn't it? Okay, just minimize the screen. I think meters looks good, meters, whatever, doesn't matter, because you know AutoCAD interprets units as units, isn't it? He doesn't care if it's inches, isn't it? I have told this in the class also, isn't it? Okay, can we move forward? Because AutoCAD does not care if it's inches or milli, isn't it? I asked this question, is AutoCAD having brains or is AutoCAD a donkey? Right, anyway, let me move forward. Click OK. I think the precision is 3 digits is more than enough, because here we have 3 digits, isn't it? See, I look at this drawing and I see there is no angle which is at, let's say, 45, 30. Everything is orthogonal, isn't it? So what comes in my mind? John, I have to draw everything in either 90 or 0 or, isn't it, 270 or 180, isn't it? So what you will do is on ortho, F8 from your keyboard. So let's move side. On what I want to draw is, I want to draw a line, isn't it? Draw L, enter. Okay, I am starting from this corner. You want to start from this corner? We'll start. Okay, John, let's start from this corner. No objections. Okay, so just again L, enter. Is ortho on? F8 is on. Okay, ortho is on. Okay, beautiful. Now what I'll do is, I can go down, I like to go up, whatever you want you do, no problem. Listen, I'm going up 4.275. I think I cannot, okay. Is it stuck? It is stuck. 1 minute, okay. Let me just pause this video. Okay, back, sorry. Okay, I did not see the, what is it? 4.275. Okay, 4.275, enter. Okay, because the drawing is too small. Where is it? Okay, first line, 4.275. Then move your mouse towards the left, add 1.125. Beautiful, enter. Isn't it? I think now this looks good. Then come down, move your mouse down, enter the number 2.325. Isn't it? Then the top dimension, 0.75. Enter. Okay. 1 minute. The thing is, because you know my 3 of my apps are on now. 0.3725, enter. 0.75, enter. Okay, 0.75. Okay, and this is how much he has given us, 2.325. okay, go up 2.325, enter. Okay, and then you said 6.60, 6.60, beautiful. Come down 1 minute. Okay, beautiful. Go 4.05, come down 4.05, enter. Beautiful. 1.80, enter. Move up 3.15, enter. Beautiful. Come towards the right. Dimension is 0.60, so let's move here, 0.60, enter. Beautiful. Where are you? I'm here. Okay, come down 2.55. Where are you, AutoCAD? AutoCAD is here. 2.55. I forgot the number actually. No problem. Enter. Okay, I forgot the number. 2.5. Excellent. 2.25. 2.25. AutoCAD. Where are you? Okay, 2.25. Enter. Go up. Sometimes this acts stupid. Anyway, 1.05. 1.05. Excellent. I think we are back. Yeah, then 0.90. Excellent. Go up 0.90. Beautiful. Move towards the right, 1.725. okay, I'm sorry, I'm speaking a bit too fast. I have a class which is slightly now delayed. No, don't worry, this is not your headache. Okay, coming down 2.775. I thought, let me just help my alien student. 2.775, enter. Well, this guy is doing his homework. I'm happy that. Okay, every class you will be having homeworks, isn't it? 1.125. excellent. Enter. Okay, then 0.675, enter. Practice questions. Okay, 0.675. okay, come down. How much is this? 0.6. oops, John, take it easy. 1 minute. Okay, what I can do is just Control Z. Okay, how much was that? 0.675, enter. Move down 0.675. okay, you have noticed that I have not placed anywhere escape. Okay, this command was running throughout, isn't it? What I can do is I can press C for close. C, enter. Okay, I hope this doubt is clear now. Okay, I hope you enjoyed today's class. Let's see each other at the earliest. Take care, have a nice evening, and have a nice day, I would say. And that's it. Take care, bye.